achieve a high score in Blockbast, a popular block puzzle game, you need to focus on strategic moves, planning, and some useful tricks. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you maximize your score easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Blockbast game on your mobile device. So firstly, understand the game basics. Place the blocks strategically to complete rows or columns, which clears them and scores points. You can't rotate blocks, so plan placements based on their original orientation. The game ends when there is no space left to place a new block. Always keep an eye on the blocks in the queue to plan your placements in advance. Leave enough room for larger or oddly shaped blocks. Place blocks with the goal of completing rows or columns rather than just filling spaces. Begin placing blocks along the edges to create more open space in the middle. Keeping the middle open allows flexibility for larger blocks later in the game. With practice, you will start recognizing patterns that help you anticipate the best placements. Be ready to change your strategy based on the blocks you are given. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.